I'm Hira and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make salmon and avocado salad. This is something that I eat regularly and I just wanted to share the recipe with you so you can also enjoy this healthy meal. It's very quick to make, so let's get started. The ingredients that you will require to make this salad are
2 salmon fillets, 1 avocado, 1 bag baby leaf salad, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon balsamic dressing, 2 tablespoons Caesar dressing, 1 tablespoon pesto, 4 tablespoons of olives, 1/4 teaspoon spirulina, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 2 teaspoons superseed salad topper, and 1 teaspoon of mixed seed powder.
Okay guys, so I've got my greens in the bowl. Now I will add, the next thing I'll add is avocado. Depends on how much you like. All right, after that I'll add some olives. All right, and I'm gonna add some flax seeds, sunflower, pumpkin and sesame seeds, and goji berries. It's just a mixture of powder of these healthy seeds and berries. Some of this. Then I'll add spirulina powder. Just a bit, not too much. Here you go. After that, I'll add some salad topper, which is a mixture of seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. There you go. Then I'll add some vinegar. There you go. Not too much, but just a bit. All right. Then we'll add pesto. So I'm just adding all the ingredients and then we'll mix it. Balsamic vinegar. Just add a bit. All right. You can use a bit of apple cider vinegar as well. Bought it from Holland & Barrett. I just put it in the lid and then add it. Then we'll add some chia seeds. Okay, just a bit. And then I will mix this salad mixture. You will need some olive oil as well, so I'll quickly grab the olive oil, which you can just add to this. Just a bit, not too much of course, but mix it. Okay. I'll add sumac, which is a Middle Eastern spice. Here it is, with a tangy lemony flavor, all the more balanced and less tart than lemon juice. There you go, a bit of sumac. They do use this ingredient a lot in Middle Eastern restaurants in their salads. And I absolutely love the taste. I'll add some lemon juice. All right. Okay guys, so our salad is ready and we would now need to fry our fish. I already marinated this with soy sauce and vinegar. That's why it looks like this, hence the color. So we're going to just fry our salmon and then add it to our salad. So let's go and get our salmon ready. If you are vegan, feel free to use black lentils instead of salmon.
Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the frying pan and then add salmon. Fry the fish till it's golden brown.
We'll let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame, and then we'll flip it and then repeat the same thing for the other side. Okay guys, the fish is ready. Let's take it out and then add it to the salad. Alright, let's go. Here it is. Okay guys, so our salad is ready. And the salmon is too. So I'll just add it to this plate. I do like to add feta cheese to my salad, but I ran out of it. I don't really have it in my fridge, but you feel free to add that. Okay, ready. And then I'll add salmon. Here it is. Now is the time to add some Caesar dressing to it. Shake the bottle and then I'll Right, and it is ready, guys. So guys, our salad is ready. If you are vegan or vegetarian, feel free to add lentils instead of the salmon, but we are ready to have this. Bon appetit.